Morgan. First of all, you look absolutely stunning. I stand here today feeling like the luckiest man in the world because I get finally to marry the best friend I've ever had. Throughout our time together, I have laughed harder than I ever have. I've learned more about myself than I ever thought was possible. And I felt love that before you was unimaginable to me.
Getting married today is an extension of your already committed and loving relationship. Marriage is choosing to grow, develop, and experience life with a partner. And in getting married today, you are entering into the most important legal contract in your lives. You are committing yourselves to spending the rest of your lives together and making that commitment in front of family and friends.
I want to start by saying first and foremost, you are my best friend, my teammate, my love. You showed me what a life with you would look like. And today I stand here with you, looking ahead to our lives together. And I am so grateful for all that we will get to experience together.
Love is in the small gestures. You are never too old to hold hands, and remember to say I love you at least once a day. Never buy a boat or plane tickets to Bali without asking the other person. Keep growing in the marriage. A marriage is not a fixed entity. It evolves, adapts, questions, repositions, and sometimes moves apart a little to better find each other again.
I promise to always treat you with respect and understanding, and never to look upon you with judgment. I promise to always be honest with you, especially when it's hard. I promise to always support you, to pick you up when you fall, to encourage you as you pursue your goals, and to be your biggest cheerleader when you ultimately achieve them.
I promise to always respect you, to be honest with you, to support you whether you need it or not, to defend you, to have your back. And most importantly, I promise to laugh with you every single day.
Morgan, I give you this ring that you may wear as a reminder of my love for you.
Each time that you look at these rings, remember this day, and let these rings be a symbol of your love and commitment to one another. Gavin and Morgan, you You have now joined yourselves in legal matrimony to each other. It brings me great joy to legally pronounce you husband and wife. Gavin, you may kiss your bride.
Loved you for 6 years. I love you today, and I will continue to love you every day until the days are no more, and even then, I will love you.